DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know. Select Dan is back in the lab, you know. Crazy actions, crazy bangers spawn head top. Today we got none other than Adofo. The one I've been getting requests a lot in the comment section. Yeah, man. Big up one Bob and everybody have been requesting. You see me there, everybody. You see me, I say the one named Sweet Tone. I check it out and see where dog I deal with Adofo. Yeah, man, really talented youth. Last track we reacted from Adofo was not Mr. James. It was damn, I forgot the last track we reacted to. Damn, bro, the last track we reacted to from Adofo, bro, Ohio. You see me? Because we going from Ohio. Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, and Adofo very talented. We also reacted to, I believe it was Mr. James. You see me, I say, as well as, you know what I'm saying? And Adofo and Quilla, definitely talented youth are coming up in the game. And I think that, and they said nighttime as well. And I see them link as skipper. You see me, I say? So yeah, them are do them thing, gang. We'll check it out and see what Adofo are deal with. Because Adofo is showing promise just as much as Quilla. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, dog them pan it. And now, of course, I do them thing, man. So check it out right now. Adofo, Sweet Tone, let's get it.
Hi James, this is Virginia. I just got in from therapy.
Well, you just get chopped.
Mr. James don't ramp with skull in a craft up a dirty plan. As he left the therapy, me charge up a 30 pack. Blood clot couple so you know that I double chop. Blood clot be my one, me drop on the dirty land. Me log in at the account and grab out cash. Then me empty the account and log out back. Then me go for your mortgage and mad out her. Who's a soak in a skin like a Ebola. So one in a year's jump. You better reverse mortgage and pay now. Mount a markets full of alien, bro. So me chip up the V6, make it pave ground. Mount a blood clot.
Hold the bomb off. Class. Hold on. The man says a blood clot couple, so you know that a double chop. You better reverse him mortgage and send it back. I'm tear by that. But for hey, I do for you. He dog seriously, yo, me nah lie. Me tell you say you chat talented, bro. Okay, man a chop. Come on a chop. Me nah talk about the chopping to the man, but dog a chop up reading, bro. Come on, man.
Hi James, this is Virginia. I just got in from therapy.
James, hey dog, hey. Pablo. Reverse the mortgage and pay now, dog. Listen to that.
Mr. James don't ramp with skull in a.
First of all, red bottoms, the dog are beat.
Mr. James don't ramp.
Tell him say now play. This look genuine. Me good on that. Hey, me not gonna say nothing, boy. Yo, go on show.
Mr. James don't ramp with skull in a craft up a dirty plan. As he left the therapy, me charge up a 30 pack. Blood clot couple so you know that I double chop. Blood clot be my one, me drop on the dirty land. Me log in at the account and grab out cash. Then me empty the account and log out back. Then me go for your mortgage and mad out her. Who's a soak in a skin like a Ebola. So one in a year's jump. You better reverse mortgage and pay now. Mount a markets full of alien, bro. So me chip up the V6, make it pave ground. Mount a blood clot food or we tear down. I'm cool and just buck a new skull.
Blood clot dog I do go sit down the bumbo clean phone. How the bumbo clot everybody say? How the I live.
Just buck a new skull could any account the whole and the train out. You can put it, take your pension and then play them. To the jip, that's my way I call it. Green so me just.
I take your pension and play dumb. Juvie Jiffy be my car, you know, Juvie my Pablo dog attack.
The guy fill up on the 19 rims. OG drop the X so you know that I code. Me been a party like me not know for me home. But he drop the X and then drop the X4 PC. Never cap pussy show where you own. From me dial I run, never skull under code. Make a cap take him to the bank and then back home. 3 2 1 in a year's.
Then you skull to the bank and take him back. Where you coming? Listen to the dog, man.
Pussy show where you own. From me dial I run, never.
Show the one. We not talk about money and all these things. We don't own. Eh? I want to go on. We run 500. Adofo. Yo, I want to go on. If it's already chop a link up and send the money cross on the bumbo clock cash up. You see me and say, Quill, I see him go to you too. No capping around here now.
You better reverse mortgage and pay now. Mount a market full of alien, bro. So me chip up the V6, make it PF ground.
Yeah.
Mount a blood clot food or we tear down. I'm pulled and just buck a new skull. Could any account the wall and the train out it and put it, take your pension and then play them. Mish and mish, thief a thief. From corner to Zion, them have some jagger in a real life. Grind up how them feel like.
Mish and mish, thief a thief.
Mish, thief a thief. From corner to Zion, them have some banger in a real
life. From corner to Zion.
Life. Watch you how them feel like. Mr. James don't ramp with skull in ya. Craft up a dirty plan. As he left the therapy, me charge up a 30 pack. Blood clot couple so you know that a double chop. Blood clot be my own, me chop on it.
Me left therapy, me rise up a 30 pack. Be my jump on the dirty land. I want to know, man.
Grab out cash, then me empty the account and log out back. Then me go for your mortgage and mad out her. Goes a soak in a skin like a Ebola.
Oh, Clyde, tell me empty account and log out that. You see me? Then me send for your mortgage and mad out that. Goes a soak in a skin like Ebola too.
Yes, John, you better reverse mortgage and pay now. Mount a market full of alien, bro. So me chip up the V6, make it PF ground. Mount a blood clot food or we tear down. I'm pulled and just buck a new skull. Could any account the wall and the train out it and put it, take your pension and then play them.
Yo, Johnny.
Thank you.
Pension and play dumb boy. I'm here, man. Easy now, man. Adofo sweet tone. The one the bad dog. Me not lie with dog flow on the reading the sweet for real, man. See why dog call the sweet tone to blouse and skirt. You see me and say, yeah, man, the one that well put together, the production behind the production behind the one that up. Dog flow and conviction and everything where dog I say. Like him believe 100%, like, yeah, man, no hesitation. No him I talk about. You see me and say, yo, big up your dog, man. Me not lie. Yeah, man, Adofo, you're bad. Yeah, man, and you know, selling the DJ like, oh, Pablo YG DJ, I saw Pablo DJ in a dog. Yeah, like, when I say things, he say it, like, with the conviction behind, like, yo, dead serious. No joking. You see me and say, yeah, man, young youth, them in a game, they so sure themselves. You see me and say, when I say anything, no shake, no, you know, like, yo, right here, like, they out there doing this for real. And they know business and everything, you know what I'm saying? You out here living life as some young youth, man. You see me and say, and it's a good look, man. Big up, you don't know damn self, man. Go and do anything like that. I'm not so young today, there's no way telling where we take it, you know. There's no telling how far you can take this thing, man. The sky's the limit for y'all, man. You can take it above and beyond. You see me and say? So, gang, let me know what you want in the comment section. If you like, you go show the artists all over and support me. You know, say, Jambisco and Seno. You see me? So, drop in the comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up, gang. But there, man, I do a thing. You see me and say? So, vibe. Yeah, man, we there, I do a thing. Be a bangers and reaction pound the time, man. We not all vibe much. I don't for keep doing your thing, bro. Very talented. You have far for going in a game. We're there. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other, love, guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.